Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. So, hard times are over. Yan ang promise sa inyo ng energy na to, Pisces. Napakaganda kasi matatapos na or tapos na ang inyong paghihirap, tapos na ang inyong paglaban sa kung ano man ang hamon ng buhay na ito, no? And you are going to succeed or you have succeeded already dito, no, Pisces? So, that's really, really beautiful. So, magiging masaya na kayo, no? Magiging mababalot na kayo dito ng happiness, ng peace. So, that is really beautiful. We have Chariot energy. Ayan. So, you are definitely moving forward with your life. You are definitely moving ahead. And you are really going to take charge na sa buhay ninyo. So, this is really good. Tawag dito, mas matatag na kayo ngayon, mas determined na kayo ngayon, mas focused na kayo ngayon, mas motivated and inspired na kayo sa ngayon. So, as you head towards wherever you are going sa ngayon, no, napakaganda, magkakaroon kayo dito ng tagumpay dahil talagang porsigido kayo. Magiging porsigido kayo kung ano man ang patutunguhan ninyo. We have goals. Yan. Napakaganda. May mga goal kayo dito na makakamit nyo na, ma-achieve nyo na, ma-accomplish nyo na kung ano man ang mga bagay-bagay na ito. Okay? There will be progress, no? In yung mga endeavor. There will be personal goals na ma-achieve nyo na dito. Kaya this is such a huge accomplishment. So, that's really beautiful. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for you, Pisces. We have retreat. Ayan. So, Pisces, this is a must, no? Kasi feeling ko, ang iba sa inyo dito talagang siguro naguguluhan na ang damdamin, ang isipan, at kailangan na ninyo na magpahinga. Kailangan ninyo na magmuni-muni, maglilay-lilay. Kailangan ninyo na you need to get back to your core dito. Kasi baka nawawala na kayo sa tawag dito, sa wisyo, kumbaga, no? Dahil sa kalituhan or sa sobrang daming ginagawa ninyo, siguro marami na kayong marami na kayong kailangan na baguhin or you need to make adjustments in many areas of life. At magagawa nyo lang yan when you were able to dissect, no, your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions, your priorities, yung mga ganon. Kaya mag-retreat daw po kayo, okay? We have patience, and dito kailangan din ninyo na magpasensya pa. Always remember na everything happens in divine order and timing. Everything happens in divine timing. Kaya if kung ano man ang hinihintay ninyo ay hindi pa nangyayari, whatever that is, you know, when it's not divine timing yet, it will not happen. Kahit anong gawin natin, ano? If it's not meant to happen yet, it will not happen. Kaya nga, pinagpa-practice muna kayo dito ng patience, maghintay pa, magpasensya pa. And when that happens, mahalaga din na makikinig tayo sa ating intuition because while you are being asked to be patient, for sure, merong gabay na binibigay sa inyo ang Divine Universe. So, it is extremely important for you to listen to your intuition. Okay? Listen to your intuition so that marinig ninyo, malaman ninyo kung ano yung susunod na ninyong gagawin. Okay? Always remember as well na good things come to those who wait. Kaya wag kayong mawala ng pag-asa, wag kayong mabore, wag kayong mapagod maghintay. Okay? Play, yan. So, retreat, play, magkakamag-anak, yan. So, you really need to balance out your life. Kailangan ninyo dito na balansehin ang sarili ninyo. May kasabihan, diba? All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Dahil nga, kailangan natin ng balanse sa buhay. Kailangan may panahon tayo sa pag-relax, pag-unwind, pag-aalaga sa ating sarili, pag-nurture ng ating sarili, pag-nurture ng ating mga relationships. May panahon din para sa trabaho, obligasyon, responsibilidad, hindi ba? Dapat lahat, no, ng areas ng buhay natin na bibigyan natin ng oras hindi lang yung isa, dalawang area lang ng buhay natin ang kailangan nilalagyan natin ng focus. It's because we need to balance out, no? Everything. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. We have 8 of voices. Ayan, there is anxiety dito, no? Siguro na nararanasan kayo. It's maybe because of the negative comments, negative energy, negative thoughts, no, na nandiyan sa inyong sarili. So, you really need to, to play dito. You really need to talk to other people, mag-unwind po kayo. Kasi parang paikot-ikot lang ito sa isip ninyo. Yung mga negative thoughts na yan, hindi na babago, hindi na puputol ang cycle because siguro sinasarili nyo lang yan. Kung ano man ang saloobin ninyo, kung ano man yung mga hinanakit ninyo, ano man yung mga nararamdaman ninyo, kinikip nyo lang yan sa sarili ninyo. That's why it's just magnifying, no? Kasi dito, restrictive energy ito, si 8 of voices. So, yung mga negative thoughts ninyo, negative feelings, emotions ninyo, those are the things that are holding you back, no? Kaya hindi kayo nakakapag-move on siguro dito, no? Sa buhay, it's because of those negative energies. But this is, na-pick up ko dito, this is in the past. This is in the past. Nakaraan na to, dito kayo nanggaling at maaaring for some reason na pagtagumpayan nyo to, nalagpasan nyo to, kaya meron na tayong chariot energy. You are moving on, you are moving forward with your life. So, maaaring nagkaroon kayo dito ng realization during retreat, no? During pagmumuni-munit, pag ninilay-nilay ninyo, maybe meron dito nakapagpukaw ng inyong damdamin, ng inyong isipan, nakapagpalinaw ng inyong isipan. That's why, makakapag-move forward na kayo. You are definitely moving on from this restrictive energy at papunta na kayo doon sa new beginning. Okay? We have justice energy. You're getting what you deserve dito, which is really good. What a blessing, hindi ba? Kung ano ang para sa iyo, what is meant for you, that is what's coming your way. Yan ang papunta sa inyo, yan ang mararanasan ninyo. So, yan ang may experience ninyo. Okay? Balance will be back in your life. So, this is really beautiful. Ibig sabihin kung ano man talaga to, si 8 of voices energy. Whatever this represents for you, this is coming to an end. Mapuputol na ang cycle na to. Mawawala na to. You'd be able to break away from that. Okay? So, good luck to that. What else? We have 10 of materials. Napakaganda. This is about wealth. This is about financial future, financial security and stability for the long term. Ito yung parating sa inyo, Pisces. Ito yung mararanasan ninyo, mai-experience ninyo at this time, which is really, really beautiful. So, good luck, Pisces, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.